7 o'clock. Time to go let the chickens out. There's the goats out in the pasture already. This is with the case on, so I don't know how the audio will be. But we'll try our best we can and see what it turns out later. There's pretty low light conditions out here, so if it's got a decent picture, that's good. I don't have any kind of mount to put it on my head or on my chest or anything yet. I'll have to order those. Yeah, they're awake. We'll let the ducks out now. We've got some black-bellied whistling tree ducks rescued. They're grown now, but we still lock them up at night. Good morning, whistlers. How y'all doing, guys? Come on out now. They're a little on the shy side. There's Mr. Rooster. There's a little young rooster, a white one. Got a storage container out here that keep the feed in. There's my track. I keep it stored in here. I'll get it out today and see if I can find a place to mount the camera on it. There's one of the young chicks. There's the other one over there. They were hatched here. I hear the whistling ducks whistling for me. They're anxious to get fed every morning. They've got about the prettiest color combination. Anything I've seen. They're really neat looking. That's about it. That's my morning routine.